A signed contract. Isn't that what it's all about? We don't care about graphs and charts and up markets, down markets, or high interest rates. It's all about right here, right now. And sellers are willing to sell their properties. I'm going to be teaching at the South Jersey Real Estate Investors Association on Tuesday, April 16th, Thursday, April 18th, and then I'm going to do an all-day class on Saturday, April 20th. Now, I want you to attend this because I teach all the mechanics of doing a hidden market deal. A hidden market deal from start to finish. I'm going to teach you exactly how to do this stuff and even how to find out if there's liens on the properties, how to contact the owners, and how to talk to them in such a way that they will sign a contract with you. And that's how you make money. If you aren't making offers, you're not making money.
Hey guys, what's up? My name is Grace and I'm the daughter of Tony Youngs. And my dad got me into real estate and I'm here to try to help you guys get into real estate as well. So be sure to come out to these events if you want to make large amounts of money, and you can come check out my dad and learn more. Alright?
So I want you to get signed up for these events Tuesday, April 16th, Thursday, April 18th, and all day Saturday, April 20th. And I'm going to teach you how to make money in the hidden market.